Poisson's ratio. Poisson's ratio is represented by sigma. It is one of the most important concepts in elasticity. It is defined as the ratio of the lateral strain to longitudinal strain. See, students, you are all aware of longitudinal strain, but let me explain you lateral strain. Consider a material. Say this is a material ABCD, and we apply force, tensile force in both directions, in the opposite directions. Of course, it is action, then this is reaction. If it is action, then this is
reaction.
So you will find A, B, C, D becomes A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. What do you observe? You observe that there is change in its diameter. There is change in its
Diameter.
It has decreased. Now, the change in diameter, that is minus delta D. Why negative sign? Because it has decreased to the original diameter is called lateral strain. What is longitudinal strain? It is delta L by L. Now sigma, the Poisson's ratio is minus delta D upon D divided by delta L upon
L.
It becomes minus delta D upon D, L upon delta
L.
L. If in board exam you get 1 mark or 2 mark type question, what is Poisson's ratio? So just finish up to this point. If you get a question, prove that the maximum value of Poisson's ratio is 0.5. Then how will you do this? To establish, we use the volume to be constant. For Poisson's ratio, volume has to be constant. Then only then there will be a decrease. So, we know volume pi d square by 4L is equal to a constant. Pi d square by 4, right? Pi d square by 4 into L a constant. Differentiating with respect to D. What is D? That is the diameter. Differentiating with respect to D, you know, you will use it as a UV theorem. D square is U, L is V. So pi by 4 is constant. dd of d square L. D square is U, L is V. Then you find pi by 4 dd of d square L, dd of constant. Constant is what? 0. Constant is what? 0. So d square dl by d, L into dd square by dd equal to 0. D square dl by dd, L is taken out, dd square of d is 2d equal to 0. You take d common, right? dl by dd plus 2l equal to 0. Okay, you can pause, write down, then play. Now, dl by dd equal to minus 2l, I have taken this side. dl by l minus 2 dd by d. So dd by d, dl by l minus half. dl by L I have taken here and 2 cross multiplications. dd by d minus 1 upon 2 divided by dl by L, or replace d by delta d. Delta d by d, delta L by L equals to minus
1 by 2.
Minus half or 1 upon 2, right? By definition, sigma equal to minus delta d by d upon delta. So sigma is equal to minus of minus half. So sigma is 1 upon 2. That is sigma is
0.5.
So students, the maximum value of Poisson's ratio is 0.5. Any question?
No.
Thank you.